Camping mess kits are essential for any outdoor enthusiast who wants to prepare and enjoy meals while on the go. There are many products available to choose camping mess kits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping mess kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yuko 6-Piece Camping Mess Kit. Introducing the Yuko Camping Mess Kit, the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. This 6-piece camping cookware set is specially designed for backpacking, scouting, and on-the-go meals. It includes a plate, bowl, cup, 2-piece switch spork camping utensil set, and a tether. The compact design of the camping plate and bowl allows them to form an airtight seal when connected, ensuring your food stays fresh and secure. The collapsible camping cup easily fits inside, saving space in your backpack. The switch spork set is made from durable reinforced glass nylon and includes a fork, knife, and spoon. These reusable plastic utensils can be connected to form an extra long utensil, providing convenience and versatility. The specialized rubberized bottoms of the camping plate and bowl prevent slippage while eating, ensuring a secure dining experience. And the best part, the camping dishes and utensils are phthalate-free, dishwasher and microwave safe, making them safe and easy to clean. With a compact size of 8 by 8 by 3 inches, the Yuko Camping Mess Kit is the ultimate camping essential for all your tenting, backpacking, and traveling needs. Number 2. Outdoor Camping Mess Kit. Introducing the Kanchi Outdoor Camping Mess Kit, a portable tableware set perfect for outdoor dining. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying a picnic, this set has got you covered. It includes cups, bowls, plates, knives, forks, spoons, chopsticks, and even a rag and cloth bag for added convenience. The cups come with insulating sleeves, allowing you to safely enjoy hot drinks without burning your hands. The cutlery set comes with a bag, making it easy to carry and store. Made of high-grade stainless steel, this camping cookware set is durable and easy to use. It can even be put in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. With everything neatly organized in the storage bag, you'll have everything you need for a delicious meal in the great outdoors. Don't miss out on this highly recommended camping essential. Number 3. Odolin 29 PCS Stainless Steel Utensils Camping Tableware. The Odolin 25 PCS Stainless Steel Camping Tableware Kit is a complete set that includes 4 dinner plates, 4 mugs, and 4 sets of cutlery with cases, all made of high-quality stainless steel. It is BPA-free, easy to clean, and dishwasher-safe. The set can be packed into the included mesh bag for easy storage, making it perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, and more. It is also great for indoor use, such as in recreational vehicles and at home. Number 4. GSI Outdoors Cascadian One-Person Table Set. The GSI Cascadian Table Set is a must-have for all your outdoor dining adventures. This set includes a 9-inch plate, a 6-inch bowl, a 12-ounce mug, and a full-sized fork, knife, and spoon. The sturdy and wide-handled cutlery is designed to fit easily in gloved hands, while the lightweight dinnerware is easy to clean and can be conveniently stored in the included mesh bag. With its compact and convenient design, this table set is perfect for packing, stacking, and carrying for all your outdoor dining needs. Made of 100% recyclable polypropylene, this BPA-free dining set is not only environmentally friendly, but also odor-free and taste-free. Plus, with GSI Outdoors' lifetime promise, you can trust in the quality and performance of this product for years to come. Number 5. Yuko 4-Piece Camping Mess Kit. The Yuko Mess Kit is a 4-piece camping cookware set designed for backpacking, scouting, and on-the-go meals. It includes a plate, bowl, 3-in-1 spork, and tether. The camping plate and bowl can be connected to form an airtight seal, and a tether is included to keep the contents safely contained and secure the spork to the rest of the set. The 3-in-1 spork is a versatile piece of camping cutlery with a spoon on one end and a fork with a serrated knife edge on the other. Made from durable reinforced glass nylon, it is perfect for eating a variety of meals while on outdoor adventures. The camping plate and bowl feature specialized rubberized bottoms that grip the tabletop, preventing slippage while eating. Additionally, the Yuko Mess Kit is phthalate-free, dishwasher-safe, and microwave-safe, making it safe and convenient for tenting, backpacking, and traveling. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.